To replace the filter screen in this KitchenAid dishwasher, open the dishwasher door and remove the lower dish rack. Rotate the microfilter counterclockwise, then lift up to remove. You can now lift out the old filter screen. To install the new filter screen, align it on the floor of the tub with the rear of the screen positioned under the diverter cover tabs. Realign the microfilter in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Replace the lower dish rack, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.